Are we today on the best looking Ferretti 860 on the market? You let me know in a few seconds.
Your eyes pull me in every way. Feels like the first time. Shadows dance on golden skin. We are lost, the night begins. Every breath is pulling me deep into a dream I want to keep.
Look at this super spacious flybridge with jacuzzi, sunbeds, an external galley here with a lift TV, a dining area, and a second hand station for the captain.
Through the dark, our souls align. Every touch is loud.
This is where all the magic happens. We have two MAN engines, 1800 horsepower. And for the stability, we have fin stabilizers at anchor and for cruising.